Hello P3, welcome to the week 4 phonics video. Over the past 2 weeks, we've been looking at consonant digraphs, which is when two letters make one sound. Now last week and the week before, we looked at double consonants, where both letters were the same. This week, we are going to be looking at a consonant digraph that has two different letters but still just makes one sound. We are going to be looking at CK, making the K sound. K, K. Now we know that C on its own can make a K sound, and we know that K on its own can make a K sound. When these two letters are together, they also make a K sound. One thing to remember about the CK K sound is that you will not find it at the beginning of a word. It is usually found at the end of a word or in the middle. Let's take a look at some examples. Now this week we are going to have to use our see it right strategy to check if we've spelt using the right K sound. Have a look at the three words underneath the picture of the duck. If I sound them out, they may all say duck. D, a, k, duck. D, a, k, duck. D, a, k, duck. But only one of them can be right. Have a look at all three words. Can you see which one looks like the right spelling? Yes, that's right. The middle word is the correct spelling. And we know it's the correct spelling because it looks right. We can see it right. D, a, k, duck. Duck. Here we've got some lovely rainbow socks. So I've added an S to the end of your word from your spelling list to make it a plural. Have a look at the three words underneath the picture. If we sound them out, they all say socks. S, a, k, s, socks. S, a, k, s, socks. And s, a, x, socks. But which one is correct? Which one looks right? That's right, it's the first one. The first one is the correct spelling of socks. S, a, k, s, socks. Socks. Let's look at the last example. Here we have someone who is sick. Look at the three words below. Can you see which one is the correct spelling? That's right. It's this one with CK at the end. And we know it because it looks right. Sick. 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 In a moment, I'd like you to pause the video and see if you can find which of the yellow words fit into the spaces in the paragraph above. Read the story first, then put the right words in the space. Pause your video now. How did you do? Let's read through the paragraph. Yesterday, a boy named Jack was kicking a ball around the back of the school wearing stripy red and white socks. A duck was following him, but I don't think he saw it. When his mum came to pick him up, she saw that he had muck all over his uniform. She wanted to know how it happened. Just at that moment, the boy spotted the duck and told his mum it was the duck's fault. Naughty Jack. This week, when you're writing your sentences, why not try putting them into a paragraph to tell a story? let's recap on what we've learnt. We've been looking at a consonant digraph, which is two consonants together making one sound. Two letters but one sound. And CK together makes the K sound. We need to see it right when we're spelling words with the K sound, so we know which K letters to use. The CK K is found at the end or the middle of words, but never at the start. I'll look forward to seeing some of your wonderful K work this week.